Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to clear cache on iPhone. Now clearing cache on iPhone can help you improve performance and free up some storage also. Now to clear the cache on iPhone, you need to simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now clearing cache on iPhone is very easy step. You need to simply open settings on a device. So open settings on a device, and here you will see the various option of settings like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile services and all of it. So you need to scroll down until you see the option of general. So click on the option of general, and under general you will see the option of about, software update or iPhone storage. So click on the option of iPhone storage. So on the iPhone storage you'll see the storage of your phone and the storage which the app have used to clear the cache on iPhone. There is a direct option available to clear the cache of all apps. You need to simply open the apps, and here you will see the option of offload app. So offload app is also known as the clear cache option on your iPhone. So you need to click on the option of offload app, and a pop-up will appear saying offloading files will delete the app but keeps the documents and data. So you may click on the option of offload app, and by offloading you will be able to clear the cache from your iPhone, and the option will appear saying reinstall app. So if you click on this option, you will be able to reinstall the app very easily. So that's it. That's how you can clear the cache on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.